back when we first switched to X5, eMaint was really helpful in kind of elevating because we had so much information and so much data from X4 that getting into X5 was going to be a challenge. So, prioritizing just a implementation specialist for Daikin, just ourselves, so that we can kind of all, with whatever challenges we face, that we're on the same page. And then, I use the support chat like almost every day. So, anything that I've tried to do, like importing or things like that of that nature, the eMaint support staff, they've been a huge help, helping me get through those challenges, but also just gaining knowledge myself.
Support has been excellent. If you use chat or have a phone call, someone always responds immediately. If you need technical question, you always get a good response. If you need a report built or something like that, it usually happens, immediately. And if you need something crazy done and they say it can't be done, and then a week later, all of a sudden it's done. So it's been excellent.